Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your account and environment. This saves time later. Make sure the game version is current and you have at least one empty Loomian slot. Once done, enable roaming in the settings and fully restart the client so changes take effect. You should bring a fast travel item, repel-type consumable, and a low-cost quick escape Loomian. These let you control encounters and leave zones quickly, which increases successful roaming attempts and reduces wasted time. You now execute the roaming loop with deliberate timing. This optimizes spawns. Go to high-density areas during active server hours because more players mean faster roam generation. This matters. Use short, repeatable loops of 1 minute. Enter the area, scan for the roaming Loomian, use a repel if needed, then exit to reset spawn timers. If possible, coordinate with others to share lures or scans. Teamwork narrows down locations quickly and preserves your consumables. You finish by securing the catch and handling problems. This prevents wasted attempts. Soft save before you engage so you can retry without losing progress, and bring a high accuracy or status-inflicting Loomian to improve capture odds. If spawns are absent, clear cache, relog, try another server region, or toggle roaming off and on to force respawns. Finally, keep an escape plan, teleport items, or a master ball equivalent, so you can abort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.